Have you lost your data files from micro SD card? Whether it is cell phone memory card, or digital camera memory card, or any other device memory card, run DDR memory card recovery software to restore your deleted data from memory card. Connect your micro SD card to your computer system. If you have inbuilt USB memory card connection port in your laptop, you can use micro SD adapter to connect your micro SD card. Or, you can also use USB memory card reader to connect your memory card to your computer system. Open DDR memory card recovery software. Software has 4 recovery modes: Basic Search, Deep Search, Photo Search, and Signature Search. Choose any one recovery mode and continue to recover your lost data files. In Basic Search, select your media from physical drives and continue. Recovery is going on. Data files are recovered successfully. Deep Search thoroughly scans the storage media to recover your data even in complicated data loss cases. You can save your recovered data files by Save option. Browse path. Your recovered data is being saved. If you want to recover only photos from memory card, choose Photo Search mode. Photo Search is specialized recovery mode to recover lost photographs. Browse path where the recovered data will be saved, and continue. Photos are recovered successfully. Signature Search recovers data on the basis of file extensions. You can select file extension of your deleted data files. Browse path where the recovered data will be saved by DDR memory card recovery software. Recovery is going on. Data is recovered successfully. Open containing folder to view your recovered data files, as we have shown here. Thanks for watching this video.